Symmetry. Animals and plants are often symmetrical because it helps balance. If butterfly wings were uneven, di sila makalupad o tarong. Flowers are symmetrical, so pollinators can land from any side and still reach the nectar.
Spiral. Shells spiral because the animal grows but keeps the same shape. So instead of growing straight, it adds materials little by little in a curve. Galaxies do the same. Stars rotate around the center, forming spirals because of gravity.
Fractals. Fractals repeat the same shape in small and big sizes. Firm leaves look the same from tip to whole plant. This way, every little leaf can catch sunlight. It's nature's smart way to cover space without wasting energy.
Tessellation. Bees use hexagons in honeycombs because it's the strongest shape with no wanted space. If they use circles, they can gap in between. Hexagons fit perfectly. Less wax used, more honey stored, nature lab efficiency.
Waves form because energy needs to travel. Sa dagat, the wind pushes the water surface, so the energy moves forward. Pero the water itself only goes up and down. Mao nga murag nagasaya ang tubig. Dili siya mobiyahe og layo, pero ang energy sige lakaw.
Meanders. Rivers curve because water is lazy. Muagi sa pinaka-relax nga dalan. Sa corners, water flows faster sa outer side, so it erodes the soil, making a curve. Then, mas mudako ang curve until it looks like a big snake from above.
Branching. Branches form in trees because plants need to spread their leaves to capture as much sunlight as possible. If they grew straight up, the leaves below wouldn't get light. By branching, the tree makes sure every leaf has a spot. The same happens in rivers. Branching creates more pathways for water to flow quickly. And in lightning, branching helps electricity find the easiest routes to the ground. Vortices. Vortices form when air or water spins around a center. In tornadoes and hurricanes, wind speed and pressure differences make the air twist into a spiral. In water, like when it drains, the sides slow down while the center pulls faster, creating a rope. It's nature's way of balancing energy through rotation.
Bubbles. Bubbles are round because a sphere uses the least surface area to hold air. Kung dili sphere, mas daghag energy needed. So nature chooses the easiest and cheapest way, which is round bubbles.
Foam. Foam forms when air gets trapped in liquid. Like kung maghugas sa og plato, bubbles pile up and stick together since each bubble wants to be a sphere. Pero naipit sila. They adjust into many-sided shapes. That's why foam looks like a puzzle of bubbles.
Radial patterns. Flowers have radial patterns so pollinators can reach from any angle. Starfish too. They can move in any direction because their bodies radiate from the center. It's about flexibility and access.
Ripples form when something disturbs the surface of the water. For example, if you throw a stone into a pond, the energy spreads out evenly in all directions. That's why you see these perfect circles moving outward. Water molecules push each other, carrying the energy away from the center like a chain reaction.
Cracks. Cracks happen because something shrinks or stresses. Like mud, kung maginit og maayo, it stresses and shrinks. Since it can't all shrinks evenly, it breaks apart, forming lines. Glass or rocks do the same when there's too much pressures. Nature releases stress through rocks.
Spots. Leopards and cheetahs have spots so they can hide in grass or trees. Spots break their body outline, making them blend. Frogs and insects use spots to warn predators.
Zebras have stripes because it confuses predators. When they run as a herd, predators can focus on one zebra. Tigers have stripes to blend in with the tall grass, making them almost invincible when hunting. Stripes is equals to survival.